ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा। ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। Okay. This Visarga, there are 8 rules to be followed. So first one is O Bhavaha, Ramaha Asti. So here it becomes Ramo Asti. Dhiraha Api, it becomes Dhiropi.
Okay, so Visarga vanishes kind of thing?
Huh?
Visarga is removed, that's what it
Yes. So O Bhava means it takes O form. Okay. Second one is Vivrutihi. Devaha iti. Deva iti. That Visarga goes. And then third one is Shakara. Shankaraha Chandrasekharaha. Shankarash Chandrasekhar. Shakaram has come here. Shakara. For Shakara, I forgot to type actually. That will be Ramaha Tikate. Ramash Tikate. Sh will come. Ramaha Tikate. Ramash Tikate. And one more example I can give was Ramaha Shashtaha. Ramash Shashtaha. Like that it will come. Okay. Then Sakaraha. Bhavantas Sarve. Here this comes in Amarakosha. Suparvanas Sumana. Suparvanaha Sumanasa. They are all synonyms for Devatas. So when they come together, Suparvanas Sumanasa. Suparvanaha, that Sakaram, that Visarga will become Sakara. Then Refaha. Savituhu idam. Savituridam. Then Jihva Muliyaha. Jihva Muliyaha. Prataha Kalaha. When they come together, Pratah Kalaha. This applies for Ka and Kha. After a Visarga, when there is Kakara and Khakara, there this Jihva Muliya comes. Actually, they represent it with a half moon sign there. That I couldn't type, so that one. And then Sannadha Kavachi. Sannadha Kavachi. You will not utter the entire Visarga there, only ha. Barhirmukhaha Kratubhujaha. Barhirmukhah Kratubhujo. Like that it will come. Okay. Then
how to utter half Visarga?
Barhirmukhaha Kratubhujaha. We say no. When they come together, it will be Barhirmukhah Kratubhuja. Mukhah, like that. Sannadha. Sannadha Kavachi.
You don't say. Mukhah.
Yes.
In a lot of slokas also it comes.
Sound won't be there.
Can you give me any other example for this?
In Vishnu Sahasranamam it will come, no? Lot of, I don't know how to say. Wait, yes.
Dukkha karanam.
Hmm?
Dukkha karanam.
Lohitaksha pratardanaha.
Yes. That is for Upadmaniya. Pa and Pha.
Okay.
They're also same rule only. You will not.
This is
you will,
ka, right? Okay.
Lohitaksha pratardanaha.
Kramaha.
Lohitaksha
How about
pratardanaha.
this?
What?
How is this, madam? Vikramah kramaha.
Vikramah kramaha. Yes.
Yeah.
Dukkha karana.
Dukkha karana.
Dukkha. Dukkha. Okay. Then, actually, for all of this, you can give me examples from O Bhavaha.
Ramaha asti.
So, will it be coming for everything? Like, for example, Harihi asti. So, Hari asti?
No, that Hari Rasti.
Refa will come.
That is Refa.
Oh, okay. So then Krishnaha asti, Krishnosti?
Krishnosti.
Oh, Akara should be there.
Okay.
Then Vivriti Devaha iti. How do we decide when which rule will apply?
See, when you know here now, Ramaha asti, you know.
Yes.
So, Okaram will come. Okay. Only for, in case of, usually this Vivriti comes where it is Bahuvachanam. The first word is in Bahuvachanam.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So then
in Amarakosham also, Amara Nirjara Deva. There also Amara Nirjara, that Visargam goes Amara Nirjara Deva, like that only we will see.
Yeah, Visarga going in Bhagavad Gita, there are a lot of places where I see this.
You can take out Bhagavad Gita and try to note down wherever. So these are the divisions actually. These 8 ways that Visarga is dealt with.
So this is basically details of Visarga Sandhi.
Visarga Sandhi. Visarga Sandhi. Yes. Then, so we have done this, no? Okay. Give me some more examples. Shankaraha, Chandrasekharaha, like that.
Shankaraha, Chandrasekharaha.
Shankaras, Chandrasekharaha.
So this basically Ra and Cha should come. Right? So any other possibility instead of Ra and Cha I can have? Kaha plus Chana, Kaschana.
Samya. So you know the rule. Now this Visarga is there. Then here, next word begins with Chakar.
Okay.
Then it becomes Shcha.
Kaschana. Then Shakara's example. That
for Shakara, it's a bit difficult to get examples. But you get, if you search, you will get.
Because during our class, I don't think we have got any such example.
Yes.
Like something with Shashti, if we combine with Shashti.
Okay. Shashti.
Okay, you think about this and you can work on this later.
Bhavantaha sarve. Okay. So for this, the Sakara.
Sarve. Okay.
सुपर्वाणः सुमनसः, सुपर्वाणः सुमनसः.
So even like Ramah Sarve, so it will become Ramas Sarve. Okay, Refa, Sweetuhu. How did it? Okay. Oh, just Refa will be added inside.
Yes, that's all.
So when do we do that?
That is Visarga plus idam, ikar.
Okay, but above ikara was there, iti was there, but we did something. We remove.
Yes. Where was that? This is Bahuvachana. I told you. Bahuvachana.
Oh.
Where is that? There is in Vishnu Sahasranama, Agrahya Shashvatah Krishnaha. Shashvatah Krishnaha. Is that how it's it?
Shashvatah, yes, yes. Visargam and then kakaram comes, no? Agrahya Shashvatah Krishna.
Ishana Pranada. Ishana.
That is Upadmani.
Upadmani. Oh, this one? The bottom?
Upadmaniyam is for Pa and Pa. It applies when Pa and Pa come after Visarga. Ishvamuliya is Ka and Kha after Visarga.
Okay.
Okay. So, next one is Shatra Pratyaya. Shall we do? We did some long back this Shatra Pratyaya. You remember?
Shatra Pratyaya.
Parameshwaran Mahodaya, do you remember?
As I am walking, I am looking. That is it.
Okay.
So, Atan, Ichan.
Okay. So we will do a little. Okay. Yes. Balakaha shrunoti. Balakaha shrunvan asti.
Shrunvan khadati. Is that okay?
Yes.
As he listens, he eats.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Balakaha likhati. Balakaha likhan. Patati. Balakaha likhan patati.
You just say, just only Shatra Pratyaya here. You have to say. Don't add anything now. We'll do that later.
Kalakaraha vadayati. Kalakaraha vadayan.
Vadayan asti.
Vadayan asti. Ramaha jigrati. Jigrati. Ramaha jigran asti. Bhaktaha namaskaroti. Bhaktaha namaskurvan. Tarunaha pashyati. Tarunaha drishyan. No, pashyan.
Pashyan
asti. Shishuhu hasati. Shishuhu hasan asti. Kapihi arohati. Kapihi arohan asti.
Arohan va aruhyan va.
Aruhyan.
My battery went off, so I laptop got
you
shut
can
down.
do from 9. Anila Mahodaya 9.
What are you supposed to do?
Shatra Pratyaya.
Okay. शिशुः रोदन
रुदन् वा रोदन् वा?
I think it is Rudan.
रुदन करोति.
रुदन् अस्ति करोति न रुदन् अस्ति.
रुदन अस्ति.
Hmm.
I'll do more.
Yes, I did till 9. So please.
Okay. गुरुः उपदिशन् अस्ति. नर्तकः नृत्यन् अस्ति. वृद्धः गमन् अस्ति.
गच्छन् अस्ति.
गच्छन् अस्ति. Okay.
Then now you join this and frame sentences. Parmeshwaran Mahoday.
सेवकः पुष्पम् आनयति नमस्करोति. सेवकः पुष्पम् आनयन् नमस्करोति.
वानरः वृक्षम् आरोहति फलं खादति. वानरः वृक्षम् आरुह्यन् फलं खादति.
आरोह्यन् और हन्.
आरोह्यन् और आरोह्यन्.
आरोहण एव.
आरोहन्. ओके. वानरः वृक्षम् आरोहन् फलं खादति.
पुत्रः वस्त्रं प्रक्षालयति कथयति. पुत्रः वस्त्रं प्रक्षालयन् कथयति.
अध्यापकः पाठं विवृणोति प्रश्नं पृष्टवान्. अध्यापकः पाठं विवृण्वन् प्रश्नं पृष्टवान्.
बालकः कथां शृणोति हसति. बालकः कथां शृण्वन् हसति.
So Satri is basically that ing form, right? Continuous form. Swami dhanam swikaroti kathayati. Swami dhanam swikaran kathayati. Swikurvan kathayati.
जनाः चलचित्रं पश्यन्ति कोलाहलं कृतवन्तः. जनाः चलचित्रं पश्यन्तः कोलाहलं कृतवन्तः.
पश्यन्तः
बहुवचनं किल.
पश्यन्तः. विद्यार्थिनः वाक्यानि शृण्वन्ति लिखन्ति. विद्यार्थिनः वाक्यानि शृण्वन्तः लिखन्ति.
नटाः अभिनयन्ति जनान् तोषयन्ति. नटाः अभिनयन्तः जनान् तोषयन्ति. What is तोषयन्ति?
जनान् तोषयन्ति. Happy, give
make them happy. कर्मकराः भारं वहन्ति अग्रे गच्छन्ति. कर्मकराः भारं वहन्तः अग्रे गच्छन्ति.
Now this dadati will become dadat. It will not be like it will not be dadan. It will be dadat in Shatru Pratyaya. Okay.
Special case. What is this Tritiya Gana?
Tritiya Gana, that those 10 Ganas are there, no?
All Tritiya Gana will become like this?
No, the special case they have given.
Sishyah Guru Dakshinam Dadati Guru Namati. Sishyah Guru Dakshinam Dadat Gurum Namati.
Dadat should come.
जनिकः धनं ददाति पुष्पं सम्पादयति.
पुण्यं सम्पादयति.
पुण्यं सम्पादयति. जनिकः धनं ददत् पुण्यं सम्पादयति.
ग्राहकः धनं ददाति वस्तूनि क्रीणाति. ग्राहकः धनं ददत् वस्तूनि क्रीणाति.
जनाः धनं ददति. Okay. वस्तूनि पश्यन्ति. जनाः धनं दा वस्तूनि पश्यन्ति.
Why da?
Because plural, right?
Dadati?
Dadati is bahuvachana.
So what is
Oh,
you use?
Da.
I don't know whether it's correct or not.
Ma'am only mentioned at the top.
Acha.
I just
no, da dhatuhu.
Oh. Okay.
Dadataha will come.
Okay. Janaha dhanam dadataha vastuni pashyanti.
Balakaha kandukam yachadi.
So here also grahaka okay.
Oh, no, dadati will be dadat, right?
Dadati will be dadat. Dadati will be dadataha.
Dadataha.
Balakaha kandukam yachadi hasadi. This will be same, no? Yachan.
Yachan.
Balakaha kandukam yachan hasadi.
Bhaktaha daridrebhyah tandulam yachanti gachanti. Bhaktaha daridrebhyah tandulam yachantaha gachanti.
Tandulam. What is tandulam?
Rice.
Rice. Okay. I don't know. I have heard this so many times, but somehow I don't register it.
Okay. This Prathama Vibhakti only we have done. Now Dvitiya Vibhakti. How it will be?
Okay.
Ramaha Gachantam Balakam Ahutavan. That is Ekavachanam. Ramaha Gachataha Balakan Ahutavan. That is Bahuvachanam.
This is Shatrapatya.
Shatrapratyaya Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
So Ramaha Gachantam. Okay. Is one sentence. Rama Gachantam and then Balakam Ahutvan. So
Gachantam is what form?
Gachantam.
The Dudya Vibhakti. Dudya form. Dudya of
Shatru.
Is it
Shatrapatya.
Oh, Dvitiya of Shatrapatya. Oh. So from Dvitiya we are doing Prathama?
Not from Prathama, we are doing Didya now.
Shatrapratya, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam. First sentence is Ekavachanam.
Oh.
Second sentence is Bahuvachanam.
okay.
There is one for usually for small kids they teach, no? This shloka is there. Gachantam achyuta shishmu. Godhuli dhusarita komala gopavesham gopala balaka shataihi anugamyamanam sayantane pratigriham pashubandhanartham gachantam achyuta shishum pranatosmi nityam. For very small kids, when they learn to talk, this shloka is taught. So it's very beautiful to hear the kids recite.
Madam, are you recording this? Okay.
Yeah. This what form is Gachantam?
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Gachandam.
Oh, so you mean to say this is already in Shatri?
Yes.
Yeah, already Satra.
Okay. Rama Gachantam Balakam Ahutvan. Balakam, that is also Dvitiya. So what does it mean actually? So
Ramaha Gachantam Balakam Ahutavan.
Is calling
Yes.
called the boy while going.
Who is already going?
Who is going? He is inviting. Ramaha.
The Balaka is going.
Yes.
Balaka Gachadi. Ramaha Tam Ahudavan.
Yes.
So Balakah Gachandam Balakam Ahutavan.
No, no.
So,
Is it
for
Ramaha
this-
going? Rama is
Rama
going.
Hani Balakah Gachandi.
Ramaha ahutavan. Rama is inviting. Whom he is inviting?
The
Balakam.
Balakah Gachadi.
Which balakam? Gachantam balakam.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's being used like an adjective here for Balakam?
Yes. But this is Shatru only. Shatru. Ramaha Gachantam balakam ahutavan. Okay.
Fine.
Then
now it makes sense. Ramaha ahutvan. Ramaha gachatah balakan ahutvan.
so many boys are going. So he is Ramaha Gachatah Balakan Ahutavan.
So for here, because in Prathama Vibhakti also it is gachatah only, right? So no change here.
Yeah.
No, Prathama Gachan, no? Gachan, Gachantau, Gachantam.
No. Prathama Bahuvachan was gachatah.
Gachantaha.
That
is for only for Dadati, such special cases that was Dadata.
No. I am talking other. Okay. It was gachantaha.
Gachantaha.
So it is gachata. The na is also missing. So I'll try the second one. Swami.
Here I have not given you sentence. You have to frame both Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam.
Okay. Swami Tuchinim Tishtha Karmakara Tarja. Okay. Swami Tusinintam.
Tushnim
is same.
Tushnim will not change. Tushnim.
Okay. Swami Tushnim Tishtantam Karmakaram Tarjayati.
Tarjitavan. Tarjayanti. So
Tarjayati also okay, right? Okay.
Next,
then
Bahuvachanam for this.
Swami Tushnim Tishtataha Karmakaraha Tarjayanti. Karmakaran Tarjayati.
So this is Swami is sits down tired, right? Tushnim is tired?
No, slow.
Silent.
Oh, he sits silently?
No, he is sitting without doing any work. That is Tushnim Tishta. Means he is not doing any work.
That
so
Karmakara is not working. So he is.
So Swami is.
So Tushnim Tishta will be single word.
Tushnim Tishta. No.
Tushnim is IBV, I think.
Okay. Oh, it's an adverb. Yeah, fine.
Next.
Nityaha Mayuraha Janaha Tush. Nityandam Mayuram. Janaha. But what the
actually it is Santushyanti should be there. I just gave that dhatu.
Sandushyadi.
Janaha Santushyanti.
Nityandam Mayuram.
Drushva. Oh, I forgot to add. Nrityantam Mayuram Društva.
Janaha Sandoshayandi. Sandoshayandi or Sandushyanti.
Clear? Nrityantam Mayuram Društva Janaha Santushyanti. Clear? Bahuvachanam.
Nityadaha Mayuran Društva Janaha Sandushyanti.
Apahara Choraha Arakshakaha Grihita. Okay.
What is apahara? Kidnap.
Steal. Leave. That is
Steal. Chora is there, no?
Lifting.
So
Abahartam kartu. He is abharadi.
Okay, okay. He's
Stealing.
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 Stealing. Okay.
So apaharantam apaharantam choraha
Choram.
Choram.
Apaharantam choram.
Apaharantam
See, you
choram.
remember whatever vibhakti this will be, this also takes the same vibhakti.
Apaharam chorantam.
Apaharantam.
Choram.
Apaharantam.
Apaharantam choram. Arakshakan.
Arakshakaha.
Arakshakaha. Grihitavantaha.
Apaharantam choram. Arakshakaha grihitavantaha. Clear? Now for bahuvachanam for this.
Bahuvachanam. Apaharantaha. No, apaharataha. Apaharataha. Chora. No, choran. Choran. Arakshakan.
That will be same.
Arakshakaha. Grihita.
Second part will not change.
Only this.
Okay.
This part you are converting this to Shatru Pratyaya.
Okay. Actually, we can build up like this, right? So, yes. Arakshakaha choraha grihitvan.
Choram.
Choram. So that's what basically Araksha is capturing the choraha, right? Araksha choram grihitvan. And then that's like an adjective we add to the choran. What kind of chora? So the one which are stealing.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Now it is at least clear for me.
Clear to you. Very good.
So next I'll Adhyapakaha Balakaha Slaghayati. Okay, that's the main form. So Adhyapakaha Kridantam Balakaha Slaghayati.
Balakam.
Balakam. Okay. Adhyapakah Balakam Slaghayati. Adhyapakah Kridantam Balakam Slaghayati. So Adhyapakah Kridatah Balakan Slaghayati.
Balakan. Bahuvachanam.
Balakan Slaghayati.
Samyak.
Fine.
Deepa Vina Vyanam Chalaya Chalakaha Arashaka Grihidha. Deepam Vina Yanam Chalayandam Chalagam Arashaha Grihidavan. Deepam Vina Yanam Chalayataha Chalagan Arashaha Grihidavan.
Oh, the security guard caught the driver who was driving without light.
Yes.
Police.
Okay. Oh, so Deepa Vina Yanam Chale, that is a single thing?
That will not change. Deepam Vina Yanam Chalayan.
Is it a single word?
No, Vina is separate, no? Vina is avyaya.
Okay. Deepa Vina.
Deepam.
So we have added Shatre in Chalayati.
Driving.
Nidra Kuru Putra Mata Uthapa. So Mata Uthapa meaning?
Uthapayati, Uthapitavati.
Okay.
Makes him up.
Okay. So the mother wakes up the sleeping child. Is that what it is? Okay. So Mata.
First form the basic sentence.
Mata Putram. Uthapayati. Right? Mata Putram Uthapayati. Mata Putram. So sleeping. So Nidra.
Nidram kurva.
Nidram kurvan?
Kurvantam.
Nidram kurvantam. Mata nidram kurvantam putram uthapayati. Then Mata Nidram Kurvan
Kurvatah.
Put.
Kurvatah.
No, Bahuvachanam you have to make.
Nidram Kurutah. Nidram Kurutah.
No,
Ditya
no.
vibhakti. Ditya vibhakti bahuvachanam.
Yes.
So it will be Putran, right? So Mata, so Nidram Kurutah Putran, no?
Kurutah also will become Ditya.
Dvitiya is Kurutah, no?
Kurvatah ya Kurutah?
Kurutah, no?
You have to tell.
Kurvatah. Like Gachata. Kurvatah.
Or Kurutah.
Mata Nidram Kurvatah Putran Uthapayati.
So Uthap is Uttisht, same thing or they are different forms?
That is
Uthapayati.
Uttishtati will be sit up, right? No.
Uttishtati self.
making.
Getting up.
Oh, so this is like a Atmanepadi form of Uttishtati?
No. Uthapayati. She will wake the child up. See, when Uttishati, it is for self. No. Uttishtami. Aham uttishtami. Saha uttishtati. It is on their own they are doing.
Okay.
Utthapanam is to wake somebody up.
It's a different verb altogether. So do they have the same dhatu?
Dhatu is the same.
So madam, Bahuvachanam will be
Kurvatah.
Kurvatah. Oh. Mata Nidram Kurvatah Putran Uthapay.
Uthap. Only this much. Actually, I didn't know whether you will enjoy this or not, so I didn't prepare much. Maybe if you want next class, we can do some more with this. Some more vibhaktis also. Okay. Then one story I have for you.
Yeah, ma'am, please share all these things to us also.
Sure.
Sanghajivi Manavah.
Sanghajivi.
Sanghajivi Manavah. Sanghajivi. Okay. Social creature, human being. Okay. Pranishu Manavah Sreshtha. Na tatra karanam shaktihi akaro va. Akaro va. Kintu sadrishi buddhihi vivekah cha. Tathapi lokesmin ekaikasmat प्राणिनः वस्तुनः च मानवस्य ज्ञातवं किंचित विद्यते. Okay. Pranishu Manava Shrestha. Among creatures, human is the best. Na tatra karanam shaktihi akaro va. Na tatra karanam shaktihi. What is akaro?
Akara means the shape.
See, Manavah Sreshtha. Pranishu Manavah Sreshtha. But it is not because of his
Shakti and Balam.
His strength or shape.
Yes.
It's not because okay. Kintu asadrishi buddhihi vivekah cha. But it is because of intelligence and vivek,
wisdom.
Wisdom. Okay. What is
Asadrisham means no comparison.
There is no comparison. Sadrisham ityukte compare with.
Comparable, uncomparable, unparalleled.
तथापि लोकेस्मिन् एकैकस्मात् प्राणिनः वस्तुनः लोकेस्मिन्
अस्मिन् लोके
तथापि अस्मिन् लोके
in the loka एकैकस्मात् one kasmat is okay. In one pranina.
Praninah vastunah cha, from other animals or other things. Manavasya jnatavyam kinchit vidyate. There are things which need to be understood.
Learn from
learned. Yes.
Okay. Manavasya. Okay. Human should know from some things from the others.
Yes.
Okay. Tathapi
even then. See, you are saying no. Tatra asadrishi buddhihi vivekaha, everything is there for human beings. Tathapi, even then, asmin loke ekaikasmat praninah vastunah cha kinchit jnatavyam vidyate.
Okay. Why does kasmat come here? I didn't understand. Asmin loke pranina vastuna manasya. That is okay.
Ekaikasmat.
From
others.
No, kasmat is a form of kaha, right?
That is a Panjami. Pranina also Panjami.
So it should form a question, right? Kasmat. Kasmat should form a question, right?
No,
not like that. Ekaikasmat. Yeah.
Because kaha forms are for questions, right? So
not necessary.
No.
Ekai meaning one?
Yes.
One among?
Ekaikasmat praninah vastunah cha. See, from ekaikasmat.
From one yes. Praninah and one.
Some from one animal or one living thing.
Let it be tasmat instead of kasmat.
Tasmat will not come.
Ekasmat. It is not kasmat. Ekasmat.
Ekasmat.
It is not kasmat. I think we cannot split it, right? Ekasmat is one word. So don't look at it as from kaha.
Oh, okay. It is ekaik is a word.
Yes.
Ekasmat.
No. There are two kakaras there. That's what I'm wondering.
Ekaikasmat. Ekaika asmat. Is that?
There is a sandhi there. That is why it has become ekai. So it is
ekaha.
Ekasmat.
Like ekaika.
Yeah, but if you say ekaha, then kasmat is a word there.
No,
right?
it is not kasmat. It is not kasmat.
It is ekasmat.
One, you say, no? One, some.
So should it be ekaismat or ekaik smat?
Ekaha, ekasmat.
Oh, okay. There are two ekas.
Okay.
Now
clear?
Ekaha, ekasmat. Correct. Okay. Oh, in every one from one every
yes.
one pranina vastuna. Okay. Fine. Dhanyawad.
Etan kakan pashyada. See this crows. Grihad bahi anne turnim.
Turnam.
Turnam. अन्ये Turnam.
Hmm.
Vayasaha. Ka idi Dadantaha.
Hmm.
Tat Paridaha Ayandi.
Ayanti.
Ayanti. Grihan Bahi. अन्ये Turnam means outside the house.
Hmm.
अन्ये Turnam Vayasaha.
Hmm.
I did not get the meaning of Vayasaha.
Vayasa is kakas only, that crows only.
Acha.
Hmm.
अन्ये Turnam. Turnam means
Turnam is quickly something like that. By seeing that rice immediately.
Immediately that crow is Kaka Radandi. He is sounding Kaka. Then he is calling all the other crows also for the food. Ayanti.
All of them gather. That paritaha annam paritaha sarve kakaha
Ayanti.
What is Ayanti?
They gather.
Okay.
Vina kalaham sangi bhuya bhakshandi. Without any quarrel, as a group, they are eating the annam. Parandu Vishukaha Anyam Vishukam Vishya Kalaham Kurvandi. Parandu beggars, after seeing another beggar, they quarrel. Adava
Ataha
Ada Egoktam. Mevaha Uktam.
What is Vikshya?
Seeing.
Seeing.
Having.
Vishya.
What is the dhatu here?
No. That is Lyap, no?
Oh, va plus Ikshya.
Ikshana. Iksha dhatu. But this is Lyap prayogam.
Yeah. That is there. What is V there? V.
Upasarga.
For Lyap, you have a upasarga.
Okay.
Ikshya.
Basically, it should be like iksatva, but because upsarga V is there, so Vikshya it became Lyap.
No, what does that mean? That word Vikshya?
Vikshya is like
Seeing.
Oh.
Seeing another beggar, they quarrel. They don't separate.
After seeing another beggar, they will start fighting.
Ata evoktam.
Tava evoktam. Adaha evaha uktam.
Eva uktam.
Kaka ahvayate kakan yachako na tu yachakan. Kaka ahvayate. Ahvayate is call, right?
Ahvayate.
Calling. So crow
invites
kakan yachako na tu
kaka ahvayate kakan.
Kaka ahvayate kakan. So crow calls
all the
crows. Yachako na tu yachakan.
Yachakaha na ahvayate yachakan.
Beggar.
Yachaka, what is? Beggar is Yachaka?
The one who yaches.
Beggar does not call other beggars.
Yes.
Okay.
Kaka yachaka yor madhye. Okay. Varam kako na yachakaha iti. Kaka yachaka yor madhye. So in between crow and beggar.
Yes.
Varam kako na yachakaha.
Kaka should be chosen.
Varam is what?
Varam is like choosing only.
Choose crow over
beggar.
Crow, not beggar.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. So crows are better than some humans.
Yesterday only I was reading something, suddenly I saw this, so I thought we should read this. I found it really interesting. Yes. Next.
Itah pashyat.
Pashyata.
Okay. Itah pashyata iman palitan sunakan. After seeing this,
No. Itah pashyata.
Itah.
Now see.
Oh, okay.
See here, like that.
Oh, okay. Pashyat is a.
Now the Kaka story is over. We have moved on to another story now.
Okay.
We have learned something from Kaka. Now we are learning something from Shunaka.
Itah
So Pashyata is lot lakar,
Lot
right?
lakar,
Yes.
right? So see here, iman palitan sunakan. Sunakan is a parrot.
Dogs.
Okay. Iman palitan sunakan. So this pet dogs.
Yeah.
Okay. Pashyat iman. Okay. Sunakasya swamini mahati bhakti vartate. So dogs swamini bhakti means devotion towards his owner
Saptami
is huge. Devotion towards his owner is
Master. Towards its master is great.
Great. Saha ratro nidrati. Saha ratro nidrati.
This Swamin Shabdaha, Nakaranta Pullingaha. So it will be Swaminaha. So that is Saptami is Swamini.
Yeah. Mahati Bhakti. Saha Ratro Nidrati. Saha is for Swami here, right? Swamin?
No. That is for that Shunaka only.
No, but dog doesn't sleep at night, right?
You read further.
No, Saha Ratro Nidrati. Tathapi Kasminchit Sabde Srute Jhatiti Uthaya Uchaihi Bhashati. Bhashati, okay. Okay. He sleeps in the night. Even then, even little sound, hearing little sound, will wake up
immediately
and make loud noise. It will, even after hearing little sound, immediately he'll wake up and make loud high sound.
Uchaihi bhashati, barks.
He barks loudly.
Prabhum Sayanad Uttabayadi. He wakes up his master from the sleep. Saratro Taskarebhyaha Swaminam Rakshadi. He protects his Swami from thieves in the night.
Thieves. Taskaraha.
Alpeneva Aharena Sandushadi cha. He is happy with little food. Adaha evo uchyade.
Taskarebhya is Panchami here, right?
Taskarebhya, yes.
And Ratro is Saptami.
Adaha evo uchyade. Read.
Bahavashi. Swalpa santushtaha sunidraha shikra chetanaha. Prabhu bhaktischa shauryam cha mantavyaha shat shuno gunaha iti. Bahvashi swalpa santushta. Swalpa santushta is little happiness, right?
Swalpena eva santushta. Very little things like
Bahvashi meaning?
A lot of love for the master.
Bahvashi swalpa santushtaha.
Very little. The master gives him very little food, whatever. Even affection also. If he shows very little affection also, then also he is very happy. This dog is very happy.
Sunidraha shikra chetanaha. Sunidra is little sleep.
Sunidraha is
good sleep.
Good sleep. Shikra chetanaha.
Fast.
Active,
reaction.
you can say.
Active. See, good sleep, but active. Even he wakes up from the good sleep.
Yes.
Okay.
It's
In
like
yoga, in yogasanas also they teach one dog breathing. No, you had. They say when dogs bark continuously for some time, they get tired. So they will go to a corner and they will
Put out the tongue.
take out their tongue and do fast breathing. So they get a lot of energy with that. So in yoga also they teach us
Okay.
that dog breathing.
Okay.
It's very effective also. Immediately will get energy.
So Bhavashi Swalpa Santushtaha Sunidraha Shikra
Chetanah.
Prabhu Bhakti.
Can you help me with the whole sentence?
So it is not over.
Next sentence also you have to be.
Prabhu Bhaktischa Shauryam.
Cha.
So
Shauriyam.
Shauryam.
Cha.
So Prabhu Bhaktischa. So devoted to the master. Shauryam. Shauryam is bravery. Cha mantavyaha shat.
Shuno gunaha.
Oh, these are
6 qualities.
Called 6 qualities of dog.
Yes.
Mantavya is opinion.
No, mantavyaha ityukte they need to
be followed.
Okay, 6 are Bahavasi, Swalpa Santushtaha, Sunidraha, Sigra Chetanaha, Prabhu Bhaktihi, and Sauryam. Okay. Oh, I think Swapna Mahodaya got disconnected.
Yes.
Okay. My turn, right? Yeah. Itaha etan. Oh, this is the next story. Okay. Itaha etan Brahmaran Vilokayat.
Vilokayata.
Vilokayata. Now see the.
Sorry, I lost you. It just cut.
Yeah, we saw that.
So can you say the last sentence? Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. We were saying that. So basically, it is a common opinion that there are 6 qualities of dog, and the 6 qualities are Bahavasi, Swalpa Santushta, Sunidraha, Sigra Chetanaha, Prabhu Bhaktihi, and Shauryam. That's how the
Mantavyaha meaning
Mantavyaha should be followed. We should follow.
Okay.
Mantavya in Hindi is like opinion generally. So I don't know what is it here.
Yes, here also like that only.
Okay.
They are to be they are the these qualities are to be recognized like that.
So that's what basically these stories are small telling us that even though human has all intelligence and this, but there are a lot of things to learn from the animal.
Yes, many things we have to learn.
Okay. Itaha etan Brahmaran Vilokayata. So now let's see the
honeybees.
Honeybees.
Bees, okay. Honeybees.
Actually, not the honeybees, the black ones, right?
Brahmaran actually.
Bumblebee.
But here they are talking about
honeybees
only.
Okay. Te Madhuram.
Vilokayata meaning let's look.
See.
Look at them. Te Madhuram Gunjanti. So they sound very sweet. Prati Pushpam Brahmanti. Every flower they keep on roaming around. Kusumebhyaha Makarandam Chushanti. So from the flowers they will extract the nectar. Pushpani na vinashyanti. They will not destroy the flowers.
You see?
Sundaram madhukosham nirmanti. So they will build beautiful madhukosham.
Beehive.
Beehive. Sundaram build. Fine.
Tasmin madhu ulpadeyanti. They produce honey in the koshan. Sabaji te tan na pibandi. They do not drink that
themselves.
यदा कदा वा पिबामः इति संजिन्वन्ति. We can drink it somewhere, sometimes.
Sometime later.
They gather.
Say that again. What is it?
Yada kada va pibamaha.
Sometime afterwards we will drink it. We will drink it. That after thinking that they are keeping it.
No. So will they drink or?
They don't drink, but they think that they will drink afterwards.
Yes.
Oh, they think that they will drink it afterwards.
Sanjinvanti meaning think.
Sanjinvanti means
collect.
Gather to collect.
Okay.
Param tu tan madhu manavena abhihriyate.
Abahriyate.
Manavena abhihriyate. But that honey is stolen by the human beings. Esham madhubanam vyavaharena sanjaya buddhihi shishamahe.
Sanjaya buddhim shikshamahe.
Esham madhubanam vyavaharena sanjaya buddhim shishamahe.
Madhupaha ityukte honeybee. Madhupanam vyavaharena.
Because of this behavior of
honeybees. Sanchaya buddhim shikshamahe.
How to collect that shisha we will learn.
Let us learn.
What is this Esham? This A is special A something?
No. That while typing, I will type fast now. So such mistakes occur.
Madhubanam. Evameva pipilikaha api sanjaye paramakusalaha sangibuya karyam kurvanti cha. Similarly, ants also api sanjaye means gathering. Paramakusalaha means cleverly. Sanguboya as
no, not cleverly. They are efficient actually. Kushalaha ityukte, he is efficient.
Efficiently. Sangiboya means after group, forming a group. Are Gurvanti cha, they do the work.
Group work.
Okay. So, tatha prithvi apaha tejah vayuh akashah iti panchabhutanyapi paropakarayev nirmitani. Tatha. Thus, similarly, earth, fire,
water. Apaha is water.
Water. Tejah is fire. Water, fire, air, vayuh, akashah, space. Iti panchabhutan yapi. 5 elements. Paropakara
Paropakaraya eva nirmitani.
Do service to others, right?
To help others, they have been created.
Manavaha ekasmat praninaha vastunaha cha ekaikam uttamam gunam sangrihya kushalo bhavet. Human manavaha
let manavaha human being.
Let human being from each living being and things
gather
good values.
One uttama gunam. One uttama gunam.
Kushalo bhavet. Let him become.
So this Ekaikasmat and ekaikam, basically we can translate it like each and every, right? Each and every.
Yes. Yes.
Each and every creature.
Yes.
Okay, so let human collect each and every good qualities from each and every animals and things.
And become efficient.
Yes.
Right?
Okay. Sangrahya. Having collected this, kusalah bhavit. Correct. Shanashaha kanashashchaiva vidyamartham cha sadhayet.
Vidyam artham cha sadhayet.
Vidyamartham cha sadhayet. Kshane naste kuto vidya kane naste kuto dhanam. Okay, Shanashaha kanashashchaiva.
See, vidya and artha, knowledge and
wealth.
They should be, how they should be achieved is Shanashaha Kanashaha Chaiva. This Shana applies for vidya, Kana applies for artham.
Slowly and part by part.
Moment by moment, little by little.
Every minute, Shanam, Pratikshanam.
Okay, every minute vidya should be achieved, and part by part, small part by part, money should be achieved.
Little by little, yes.
Okay. Shane naste kutah vidya, kane naste kutah dhanam.
If 1 minute is lost, that amount of vidya is lost.
And 1 moment is lost, and 1 part is lost, that amount of money is lost.
So that's the story.
Very nice.
Okay.
Wow, Samyak.
So have these pratyayas that shall we do next time? All these things you know only. Nothing to be taught here actually.
Only revision.
Apatyarthaka tadhitaha. Like apatyam ityukte progeny you say, no?
Offspring.
Vasudevaha tatra apratyayah vasudevasya apatyam puman. Bharatasya apatyam puman. Bharadwajah Bharadwajasya apatyam puman, like that.
What is puman?
One son.
Boy.
Male offspring.
Male offspring.
Okay.
Bhrugoh apatyam puman is Bhargavah. Okay.
Apatyam puman Parthah Prithaya.
So apatyam is born.
Apatyam is progeny. Their offspring. Like.
Offspring boy.
Okay. Then
what is
Gotra apatyam?
Partha is given for Arjuna, right?
Prithaya.
Partha. Prithayah apatyam puman Partha.
Who is Pritha?
Kunti. Kunti had Kunti's earlier name was Pritha.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Then this Raghoho Gotrapatyam. Here they are sons actually in all this. Here Gotra, he belongs to that Gotra.
Lineage.
Raghoho Gotra apatyam. Kakutsthasya Gotra apatyam puman Sri Rama.
Oh, he is also called Kakutstha.
Kakut. That in many musical compositions also we get, no? Kakutstham, Dhimantam, Kamalaksham, Srimantam, like that it will come.
Okay. So Kakutstha was also one of the Purvaja.
In that, yes, in that lineage. Then Apatyarthaka, same, E pratyaya. Till now you had A pratyaya, now it is E pratyaya. Dasharathasya apatyam puman Dasharathihi. Sumitrayah apatyam puman Saumitrihi.
Can you go up? The A pratyaya, where was it actually? Can you?
Raghavah.
Oh, it was the first letter. Okay, first letter.
They say Adi Vriddhi, and they have so many sutras for that. We are not dealing with all those things.
Okay, so Ipriya Pratyaya is towards the last letter.
Dronasya apatyam puman Draunihi.
Oh, okay. Okay. This is used basically when the first letter has already some matras.
Shurasya apatyam puman Shaurihi. That is Krishna. Shurasena was there, no?
Yeah, so what I see is, okay.
Then Eya Pratyaya, Kartikeyaha, Vinatayaha apatyam puman, Gangayaha apatyam puman, Kritikayaha apatyam puman. Eya, it will Eya. Kartikeyaha, Vainateyaha, Gangeyaha. Then Atreha apatyam puman, Atreyaha.
Agni.
Anjanayaha apatyam puman Anjaneyaha. Anjaneya's mother Anjana. Then.
So, is there a point? How do you decide whether it is A or?
There are rules for that.
Okay.
That you will not learn now later. Then Iya Pratyaya. Bhratuhu apatyam puman. Brothers. Brothers is on Bhratriyaha.
Swasriyaha.
Swasriyaha. Swasuhu apatyam puman.
These things we didn't know. You are telling we know. We don't know. These are new things to us. At least for me.
Yes, sir.
Then Yai Pratyaya is there. Daityaha. Ditehe apatyam puman. Aditehe apatyam puman. Parasharasya apatyam puman.
How does it happen? Okay. Ta become ya. Ye. Yeah. That. Okay. There is a lot of change in this actually.
Yes.
Dite become dai also. Daitya. Adite adityaha. Parasharasya
Parasharya.
Parasharya. Okay.
Okay. Then Ina Pratyaya. This is Grame Jataha, Kule Jataha. In that Kula he is born. Kulinaha. Grame. In that village he is born. Gramenaha.
We have learned Upsargas few, but not Pratyaya. I think Pratyaya is a new topic.
Then Strilinge, now Strilinga. Janaki, Janakasya apatyam, Stri. Till now we did Pullinga only. Now it is Stri. Then Parvatasya apatyam Stri, Parvati. Drupadasya apatyam Stri, Draupadi.
Stri, why is it not Putri?
No. Stri, apatyam. That progeny. Women.
Female progeny.
So the Puman there in the top, was it like Purush?
Purusha, yes.
So it was not son. Okay.
Then Bhavarthaka Tadhitaha. Tva Pratyaya. Manushyasya Bhavaha. Manushyatvam. Purushasya Bhavaha. Purushatvam. Prabhoho Bhavaha. Prabhutvam. Vyakteha Bhavaha. Vyaktitvam. Like that. Okay. Then Tal Pratyaya. Samata. Ekata. Nipunata. Yogyata. Shurata. Like that. Then Gramanam Samuhaha. Samuharte. Gramata. Bandhunam Samuhaha. Bandhuta. Jananam Samuhaha. Janata.
This is like Ta Pratyaya.
Ta. Then An Pratyaya. This is also Bhavarthaka Tadhita only. Kushalasya Bhavaha Kaushalam. Then Yunaha Bhavaha Yauvanam. We keep using this Yauvanam many times. No?
Yun means youth.
Youth.
Yunaha. Oh, Yunaha is new word.
Kumarasya Bhavaha Kaumaram. Shishoha Bhavaha Shaishavam. Mrudoh bhavah mardavam.
Mrudo meaning?
Soft.
Oh, but Mardavam is used for male, right?
No, Madhavam is soft only.
Soft behavior, you see.
Okay, I think the Marda word we use is different.
Marda is different.
Okay.
Then Shyai Pratyaya, Saundaryam, Sundarasya Bhavah, Samarthyam, Samarthasya Bhavah, Chaturasya Bhavah, Chaturyam, Dhirasya Bhavah, Dhairyam, Madhurasya Bhavah, Madhuryam.
Shya is not there, right?
See, they undergo a lot of those pratyayas also, they don't directly join. They undergo many prakriyas, and then that shakaram will be lost, this yaka will be lost, only ya will remain, and all those things.
They could simply tell yeah only.
But Panini had so many things to do.
It is a catalyst. If you put something, it will pop some other thing.
See, he designed this Vyakaranam according to the way the language was spoken in those days. So that's why he had to do so much of circus. Yes, actually I was listening to one lecture, this Ashtadhyaya. How could he decide only 7 vibhaktis should be there? Excellent lecture. It was very nice. Once he decided, we know, okay, 7 vibhaktis are there, we need to learn that. What is our contribution to that? That's the way. Okay, Madhuryam, Tarunyam. Then Sambandharthaka Tadhitaha, Shakuntalam, Shakuntalam Adhikritya Kritam Natakam. Then Sambandharthaka Tadhitaha Iya Pratyaya, Bharatiyam.
The Shakuntala, what was that?
Shakuntalam Adhikritya Kritam Natakam. Based on Shakuntala's.
Oh, that's why it is called Shakuntalam.
Yes.
Okay.
Then Iya Pratyaya, Bharatiyam, Bharatasya idam. Then Parakiyam, Parasya idam. Swasya idam, Swakiyam. Samvatsare bhavam, Samvatsarikam. That which happens in a year.
What does this mean, Bharatiyam?
That which belongs to Bharata.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Swakiyam, that which is
Mine.
which belongs to self.
Belongs to me. Okay.
Then Sambandharthaka Tadhitaha Ya Pratyaya, Gramyam, Dharmyam. Okay. Then Ika Pratyaya, Samajikam, Varshika, Varshasya Ayam. Varshikotsavam, they celebrate in schools, no? Every year they have annual day. Varshika.
Masika.
This Taratama Vachaka Pratyaha. This comparative, superlative degrees, something they say, no, in English. Sthulaha, Sthulataraha, Sthulatamaha. Sundaraha, Sundarataraha, Sundaratamaha. Chaturaha, Chaturutaraha, Chaturatamaha.
It's like the good, better, best.
Yes. Vidwan, Vidvattaraha, Vidvattamaha. Unnataha, Unnatataraha, Unnatatamaha. Like that you can collect more and make a list.
So we typically add taraha and tamah, then it will become any adjective we can convert like this?
Yes. You try.
Okay.
Kushalaha, Kushalataraha, Kushalataram.
Tamaha.
Kushalatamaha. Taraha, Tamaha.
Tamaha.
Taraha, Kushalatamaha.
Yes. Okay, we have some more pratyayas. I didn't have time, so I stopped at this. Maybe next week we will do some more.
So
okay. Then
through what?
Huh?
How will you share these things?
In WhatsApp I can share. No
Okay.
problem.
Even the earlier one, all the things you please share.
Oh, yes.
So I can keep a note of all the things.
So we will continue next week. If you would like to do some more with Shatru Pratyaya, we will do. Otherwise, if you want Karmani also, your choice. Whatever you say, I will prepare slides according.
Swapna Madhya, any requests?
Both half would be nice.
Okay,
More
Shatru and Karmani we will do. Karmani Langlakaram we will do.
Okay, we'll try.
We'll try.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayaha, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om.
Dhanyavadah.
Actually, when we don't have a Karmani